Hello and welcome to this tutorial on copying presets from one AD System's NT series DSP to another. We use NetControl2 to scan the networks for devices. Once found, add all. We have here two devices in the network. On one, we will create a preset. We'll put it in location 5 and call it Test Preset. Then we'll load the appropriate speaker. The STEM on crossover mode on channels 1 and 3, and on 2 and 4 we'll add a Touring sub 18. Load each speaker. We'll adjust the outputs to match the base with the top. +4 ought to be fine. Now we'll save the preset. We'll set up another preset in location 6 and name it Test Preset 2. In this situation, instead of the STEM, we'll select a Magnus 12 with Touring sub 15. We'll let the gain stay the way it is, and we'll save. Now we have two presets on the DSP named K14 base that we want to load into our other device. So we'll go to the Tools menu and select the Library Mixer. And we'll select Preset tab. And since this is an NT4 DSP, we'll select the NT4 DSP library. Then from the NetControl2 folder, we'll import this file, NT4-DSP.cdlb. This is the standard factory preset bank. Now we'll load the presets from the DSP named K14 base. As soon as they are loaded, we'll see the presets that are on the device. Then we can decide where we'd like to store them. NetControl pastes to the first location under the highlighted location. Here we want to put our new presets in positions 10 and 11. So we mark location 9 on the left, and on the right select the two presets with Control-click. You can select any number of presets to drag and drop as you normally do with Windows. Then we can export. We'll export to write over the old file in NetControl/NT4-DSP. Select the file to be overwritten and click Save. It will ask to confirm the overwrite. Then we have to close NetControl2 and relaunch it. Scan the network, add the devices, go to the Tools drop-down menu, select Updater, Select the target device and click Library. It takes a moment. You can monitor the progress here. And the process is complete. Now let's take a look at the K14 base DSP. And both presets are there. They exist as well on the second DSP under locations 10 and 11. If you need to do this for more DSPs, you can do them parallel or one at a time. Thank you for watching. If you need further support, just contact us.